What's good, YouTube? It's your man BG Tech Life. Today we got that Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 on deck, and we're gonna do something a little special. I want to share the accessories that I like to use with this device with you guys. So today we got an accessory video, not just cases, some other things. So let's just go ahead and get straight into it. First and foremost, guys, when you get a Z Fold, you must get an S Pen. With the Z Fold 5, it doesn't come with an S Pen. Shame on you, Samsung, and things of that nature. But a S Pen is definitely something that you're going to use and get the best out of your device with. You got that big inner display, taking notes, and just doing all kind of coloring and creating with the S Pen or editing. I used the S Pen from last year, the Fold Edition S Pen from 2022, because it's a little thicker, feels a little better in hand than this year's S Pen, which is really thin. And it also has a button with some Bluetooth features to it. So definitely a nice pickup, especially on a budget, because you can get this off Amazon now for about $20. I'll put a link down in the description. Now, a very important accessory that you're gonna get with any device that you paid your hard-earned money for is a case. And I like this protection here. This is the UAG Pio Pro. Now this Pio Pro is just a really nice transparent case that offers a lot of protection, nice and bolstered up, nice camera protection, and you have MagSafe capabilities. That's becoming very popular on Android devices. Even though it started as an Apple thing, having MagSafe is really convenient to work with a lot of these new accessories that's coming out for devices. So definitely I like and I'm rocking the UAG Pio Pro as of now. Now when it comes to sound and it comes to audio and it comes to my earbuds, I usually try to stray away from manufacturers that make phones and earbuds. I like to try something different, and the cool factor on these earbuds just cannot be denied. These are the Beats Studio Buds Plus, and I just like these earbuds because they have a very good sound. They have a old back in the day Beat sound, a lot of bass, some good volume and things of that nature. And they just also look very cool. They have active noise cancellation and transparency mode, but I will say the best thing about these earbuds is the sound. There's no wireless charging, but basically I just love the cool factor. I love how they match the case that I kind of got on my Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5, and they just sound amazing. Not a lot of features, just a lot of sound when it comes to these Beats Studio Buds Plus. Now today, one of the biggest accessories to a smartphone is definitely a smartwatch. With my Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5, right now I'm currently watching Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 Pro. And the thing about the Watch 5 Pro is the Samsung Galaxy Watch battery champ. I know we got the Watch 6 Classic and we got the Watch 6 and things of that nature, but this is basically just a sportier type watch without the bezel, but it's just a beastier type watch when it comes to that battery life and things of that nature. So I'm not saying particularly that you must have this watch to rock with your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5, but any type of smart watch, just if you want to track your steps or you want to just be able to answer the phone on your wrist, it's definitely a dope accessory to your device. Now when we talking about power and we out and about, Binks definitely did that thing with that MagSafe charger. This is a 10,000 milliamp charger. A lot of these portable MagSafe chargers are like 5,000 milliamps, and they not really giving you a super good charge. They're giving you maybe a 40% or something like that. But at 10,000 milliamps, this Binks charger can actually charge your device, like give you a full charge, and it can charge accessories and things of that nature. This has 10,000 milliamps and charging pass through, so you can charge this up, charge your device up, and you also have two ports. You got a USB-A port and a USB Type-C port. So this is a really solid charging option for when you're out and about. This is a decent compact size, but offers some real charging. I'll put a link down in the description. Now when it comes to the fun factor, guys, I do a lot of gaming now on my Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5. I wasn't a gamer guy, but when I really started looking up games that I could use the controller, like Grand Theft Auto, Call of Duty, at night, I find myself gaming on my Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5, having a ton of fun. And I'm using this controller, my Xbox Series Elite controller, Now, I'm not saying that you have to use this controller, but this is the controller that I use with my laptop for gaming. I use it on my Xbox for gaming. I really am partial to this controller. It's customizable. As you can see, I got a gold D-pad on here. But with that being said, you can also find you a cheaper controller that you can really have some fun gaming with your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold on. But this is just my preference right here. This is my go-to. Now with all this tech, guys, this is the sling bag of choice for me right now. This is the UAG Ration, and I like, this is a dope little sling bag right here that I could put all my tech in. But I wear the sling bag across my chest. It's got 2 compartments. Right now we traveling, most of us are traveling with too much tech for our pockets, and we traveling with hand sanitizer. Most of the times we're gonna have more than one cell phone on me, so that's a lot for a pocket. I would say, when you know, get something like this UAG Ration, a sling bag. I can put my phones in here, power bank, controller, earbuds, and I'm cool. It's got a nice long adjustable strap. If you need to unhook it, you can easily unhook it or unstrap it. You got 2 nice deep blue pockets, and you can give your pockets on your pants a rest. You don't need to be walking around with 2 phones in your pants and earbuds and a battery bank because your pants will be falling down. You even got parts on the front just specifically for hooking things too, like if you got a carabiner for your keys and things of that nature. So a nice nylon sling bag right here just for all your accessories and all your tech. But this your boy BG Tech Life, and these is my favorite accessories right now to use with my Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5. Any suggestions or comments, go ahead, leave them. Like this video if you like the video, and make sure you subscribe. It's your boy BG, I'm out. Peace.